One good news I have for you is our Vedic masters, Vedic rishis, Vedic visionaries, starting from Sadashiva, they have mastered a science to bring these highest thought currents and ignite your inner space through certain rituals and processes. That's what we call homa and making aushadha. Understand? Thought is as matter as any item which is seen by you in front of you. Please listen. I am repeating. A thought current is as matter as the mic, camera, TV, and all the items you are seeing in front of you. If this hand key can be given to you, a thought current also can be given to you. Our Vedic visionaries have mastered the science of bringing a thought current and infusing it into the people. It is called initiation. They mastered this science. It is possible. It is reality. There is no placebo effect range. Understand? There is something called placebo effect. Any doctor gives any medicine, 40% of the patients will be cured. That's called placebo effect. The effect of this initiation is not the placebo range. It is undeniable. It can stand the scrutiny of the verification, follow-up, documentation and scientific research and analysis. It is not placebo effect range. Understand, our masters have mastered this science of making the thought current come in a space through yajna, means the thought current from the space will be brought into the air through the mantras and into the fire through the offerings, into the water in the kata pot and sprinkled on you and into your mind through that water being sprinkled on you. Our masters have mastered this science, and that thought current also can be brought down into something called aushadha, energy herbs. It is unique to South India, the Siddha tradition. Understand? The Lagulisha Saivism of Saurashtra also speaks about this science, but unfortunately, now it is not being practiced in Saurashtra. Lot is lost. But still in deep down South India, this Siddha tradition is alive, bringing those thought currents into aushadha. Of course, it was alive once, long ago, once upon a time, 100 years before, during Ramakrishna's time, even in a place called Tarapet in Calcutta, in West Bengal, near Calcutta, a place called Tarapet. Ramakrishna records in his biography, in his reminiscences, that he has seen the masters of this aushadha science in Tarapet. Unfortunately, neither in West Bengal nor in Saurashtra, now it is a living science, means a large number of people are not practicing. Of course, if I have to tell the truth, even in South Tamil Nadu, South India, it's not large number of people are practicing, but still the science is alive. Fortunately, before it died, I happened. 1979 would have been too late. 1978, right time. Did not allow it to die. We will revive this science, understand with a unique, powerful spiritual herbs. These thought currents will be infused. And when you apply that on your forehead and third eye, that thought currents become just part of you. And it just starts manifesting as your life. It almost looks like a magic pill. It is magic pill till you use this pill. Once you use, you will understand it is not magic pill, it is just logic pill. It is not magic pill, it is logic pill. Till you use, it may look like magic pill. Once you use it, you will understand it is logic pill. So now, I am going to do two things. One, the Dhanakarshana Bhairava Homa. The thought currents of awakening wealth consciousness in you, deciding to be ferocious within you and awaken your wealth consciousness. Ferociousness is not anger. If you feel society has cheated you, you are angry about the wealth, you will never manifest wealth. Ferociousness is different, anger is different. Kala Bhairava, Dhanakarshana Bhairava is ferocious but not angry. Understand? To infuse the ferociousness to manifest wealth consciousness in you. There will be Dhanakarshana Bhairava Homa, and I will be making the Dhanakarshana Bhairava Aushadha, means this highest wealth conscious thought currents. Now I shared with you only 4 conclusions. There are few more. Literally like an inner software to manifest wealth. I'll bring that into that energy herbs, Aushadha, and share it with you all. Apply it and sleep. You will sleep your way to wealth. Understand? I am responsible for what I am uttering. I am not here to give you false promises. I am not here to cheat. I am straight. I am here to bring spiritual legitimacy to Sanatana Hindu Dharma. All my life, I am standing only for this one statement. Sanatana Hindu Dharma is real.